welcome back. So today I'm attempt to try to repair or try to revive this interstate battery that I got from Costco. I think about 6 years ago, I believe. So I'm gonna use the DC welder. Has to be a DC, not AC welder, okay? So I got this load tester to test out for you guys to see. So yeah, be sure you're gonna have a goggle on, or maybe like a wearing hat or something, and glove. Prefer a rubber glove, also a long sleeve. Try to protect yourself from sulfuric acid burning. So I'm gonna take out this cap. Positive, negative. So we're gonna do the crank test. I'm gonna press this button onto the right. See, it's already say bad. This is the voltage. It shows about a little bit more than 8 volt. Originally, what's in the car is about 10 volt. So I guess it's been sitting here. And I checked the distilled water inside the battery. It was low, so I added a little bit. I also cleaned up the terminal and give it a charge, so it still didn't work. So I'm gonna use the DC weld method. So this is the negative. I'm gonna climb over there. And this one will be going to the positive. But I'm gonna use like a nose and pliers clamp to climb on there, so I can clip this on there. And by the way, make sure it's in the open air, because you don't want to smell the sulfuric acid. So I'm gonna pop this two cover open and check the distilled water again in there. And if it's low, then I need to add some more. I'm gonna have a container to put it onto the battery, because last time when I did it, it's kind of overflow or bubble up. You will need to see which cell in the battery. If it's not bubbling, that means that cell is bad. So that's why it's not holding charge. So we're gonna crank up probably around 70 to 85. I don't want to go too hot. If you go too high, it might damage the battery. So this is going to go to the positive pole. So I'm gonna put it like this. So I gotta open the cap. I'm gonna put the machine where I can control it, away from the battery. Negative goes there. And then positive. It goes here. Like that. Okay? Make sure you're secure. Bring it close enough so you can see the cell. Gotta pop those two caps open. If it's dirty, make sure you clean it. You don't want those dirt to get in there to the cell. It's dirty right there. Wait, I'm gonna put the bucket. Oh my god. Let me cut it back real quick. I don't want to pop in my face. I'll try to remove it. Oh shit. You can see this one's a little bit low. I might add more water on this one. So make sure you get the distilled water. Okay, I'm gonna crank up to 60. I'm gonna run it for 5 minutes. So you see 1 is bubbling, 2 is not bubbling. So that cell might be bad. So 2, 3 is bubbling, 4 a little bit, 5 bubbling, 6 is not bubbling. Yeah, I'm gonna open the garage. Whew. So we're gonna wait 20 minutes to let it cool down, and we're gonna jump it again for 5 more minutes. We're gonna do that like 6 cycles. In the meantime, we're gonna do the crank test again. Wow, look at the difference. It shows 12 point, almost 13 volt. I'm gonna do the crank test. Wow. It stay at 800, which is cold cranking amp. That's pretty good. This one is rated at 500, so wow, what an improvement. So yeah, we're gonna let it cool down, and then we're gonna do 6 more cycles. I'm gonna do a load test real quick. It's my air compressor. side is pretty strong. So if your cell it went bad or whatever, then it's not gonna hold charges like this. So, by the way, I think my son, he helped his friend to jump the other vehicles, and once you do that, it deteriorates the battery. So try not to help people jump the car. And if the water is getting lower after you try to revive it or try to revive the battery, then you might want to fill out some more, because it gets heats up and bubbling and it might dissolve. This time crank up to 70. Okay, we're gonna rest for another 20 minutes. Okay, we're gonna sub another 5 more minutes. Alright, so I did all the cycle, and then I'm gonna do the last test, the crank test right now. I kind of clean it up, everything looks pretty nice now. I'm gonna do the crank test. Still good. It's between 600 and 800. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. As always, peace.